Hello guys, it's Big from Big Was here, and today I will go to the restaurant to taking pictures with this. You know what it is? It's film of the camera. So now, today I will go out and use my film camera to taking pictures. So before we start, first we need to reload the film inside the camera. So I will show you how to reload it. You see that bezel inside the camera, and you see the holes on film. We need to put it together. The hole should be with the bezel. There's a hole here. We need to put this inside the hole. So you see that? It's inside the bezel. Correct, it's finished. And we can go out and taking pictures. The place that I will go to taking pictures, maybe right there. You good? Okay, let's go. It's small places, but I will try to find some corner or some place that I can taking pictures, and it will be beautiful to see. 1, 2. So now our food is arrived. I will take a few minutes to eat it with my friends, and when we finish, I will go to taking pictures. Now I've got about 35 pictures, but I can use it anymore. I will take the film out of the camera and I will show you how to take it out. When we finish photographing, we need to take the film out. Before we turn on the back cover, we need to scroll the film to rewind the film. Because if the film touch the light or sunlight, we can receive the photo from the film, because all film need to be in dark place. So first, press the button to unlock the bezel, and turn it around. Okay, it's come back inside the roll. So I will show you how the film look like. Near my house, there is no place or no lab that can develop and scan the film. So I need to send it to Bangkok or to the shop that can develop the film. I will go to post office and I will send it to the lab to develop it. So now, the end of the day, and I finished using my film camera, and I'll show you some image of my film, and I'll give you more the image in the Instagram and the Facebook. If you like it, please subscribe and like for me, please. Thank you. See ya.